Hello community, I hope you are doing good. In this discussion we will see how to add status bar in the header of the form view. And in case you missed previous discussion about how to add header part in the form view, please check, link is given in description. Plus if you want to learn more about Odoo, you can just visit this channel and especially this playlist, and here you can see different topics also available related Odoo development. And apart from this you can see another two playlists also available, Python tips and editor related tips. And if you have any doubt or if you need any help, you can just go to about page and here you can shoot your query to this email address. And if you want to support this channel, you can use these links. Plus you can also join this channel using this join button. So let's back to our main topic, like how we can add status bar in the header part of the form view. So let's say in the student profile here, like this header part, how can we add here the status bar? So simply like we have to go to in editor and let me open here the custom module which we already created. First time let me open this form view model, and let me open this view.py file, the XML file. So simply you can see we already created the header in the form view, right? So now we want to also add status bar. So simply we have to go to in model.py file. First we have to check the status field is available here or not. So you can see right now we don't have any status field. So simply we are just trying to create a one field selection, and here fields, then after string stat, and simply like I will use like draft like progress let's say here I will add one more done like paid. If you don't know like how to create selection field like this and what is the purpose of this field, you can see in the fields playlist, you can see over there the real test case. So simply like I just created a new field here, the name is the stat, and the same field right now we are using here in the header part, and I will add here like field name equal to stat. That's it. And now I'm trying to stop the service plus upgrade the module, and let me refresh the page here. You can see here still that field is not available here due to the selection field, but don't worry, like the selection field having some options here, right? The combo box I mean, so we have to display as a status bar. So here Odoo provides one widget. To active that widget to any specific field, it will automatically convert into the status bar format. So like we have to use simply widget equal to and status bar, that's it. And let me upgrade the module here. Let me go to in front end side and refresh the page. So now you can see we have like status bar visible in the header part, right? Like same as the sales order status bar. Like let me open the cells, you can see like this, right? So like this way you can also add the status bar like this way. Now one more thing is, like let's say I don't want to see this progress option in the status bar. It is also possible. Like how we will see here, like let's say in the let me minimize this one first. So let's say like here we have to provide one more attribute here, and using that attribute, like we have to mention over there the list of options which we need to display in the front end side. So let's say status bar visible, and here like we have to provide some fields. Some fields means this one, the 0 index only. So let's say draft. After like we have to provide here comma, then after like let's say paid and done. All right, and let me stop the service plus upgrade the module. Let me refresh the page here. Now you can see we can only see here 3 options only: draft, paid and done, right? But here you cannot rearrange these options here. Like let's say the draft you need to display in the middle, or done you should if you want to display in the first position, it won't be possible like here. Like let's say like here paid. If I will do like this, then after I will restart the service plus upgrade the module, and if I will refresh the page like this, you can see still it's display based on the sequence, right? Draft, paid and done, based on the mentioned fields here, like draft, progress, paid and done. Why this progress is not displayed? Because we didn't mention here that option, otherwise it will display here. All right, so if you want to rearrange from the front end side, so simply you have to rearrange using like this. Like page should be like, let's say page should be after the draft, and let me upgrade the module one more time. Oops, we have error. Oh yes, so here you can see the paid we don't have, then after done we didn't mention the comma sign. All right, so let me refresh the page. Now you can see done, draft and paid is visible like this way. All right, so if you want to change the position of these options, then you have to rework on this field only here, not here, using this status underscore visible. All right, so that's it for the now. In case you have any doubt related this status bar, please comment below, and see you in next session. And our next session should be how to add clickable status bar here. We will see in our next session.